Alright, first we're going to do basic Xbox controller features. Now this is a non-Xbox endorsed controller, so two of the buttons are a little different, but all of the rest are basically the same. So in the center you have the start button, which you push in to start. And typically on a Xbox controller you have the back button to the left and the start button to the right, but on this controller they are over here, so back here and start here. This is the left toggle switch, so you can move it left and right and up and down. This is the right toggle switch, you can move it left, right, and up and down. You have the buttons over here, A, B, Y, and X. And you also have the navigational pad on the left, which gives you the typical left, right, up, down. Also on the top, you have what's called a left bumper, right bumper, then right trigger, and left trigger. Alright, today we're going to be doing basic instructions for the game Portal for the Xbox 360. For the Xbox 360 console, the game comes in a set called the Orange Box, and it's all on one disc. What you'll want to do is take the disc out of the case and place it into the Xbox. This is one of the older Xboxes, but same basic buttons. So press the eject button at the top of the disc slot to open. Place the disc shiny side in to the tray. Press the eject button to close the tray. Once the tray closes, the game will automatically load. This is the main menu for the Orange Box set. We are going to focus today on Portal. However, there are 4 other games on the disc. If you use the left joystick to scroll right over to Portal, and then press A to select the game, it will load. It will then bring you to the Portal main menu. What we're going to focus on right now is starting a game. So you click A on your controller to select new game. If not already signed into a profile on the Xbox 360, it will ask you to select a profile. Choose which one you want and select the A button. It will then ask you to choose a device to save the game onto while playing. Select A to choose the device. If you have more than one option, choose which one you would like. If you're just starting, you want to select Chapter 1 by pressing A again. This is a basic statement letting you know that the game uses an autosave, and if you turn the Xbox off during the autosave, it could corrupt the file. For this demonstration, I will have the volume turned down so that I can prompt you through things, but the computer will also prompt you as you move through Portal. Basic controls: use the left joystick to move forward and back, and left and right, and the right joystick to look up and down, and left and right. The computer also has a system that will alert you to functions that you need to know. In the bottom right corner you will see it says to push A or the left bumper to jump. You can try A or the left bumper and you will jump. During this part there is a countdown that allows you to see how long it will be till the portal opens, which is what the computer right now is telling you. But if you want to, you can go ahead and start the game by walking through the portal. Each chamber will have a sign. This one says that this is chamber 00. So when looking at solving this puzzle, you can step on the button and see that the door opens, but when you step off to go through, it closes. It tells you to press X or the right bumper to pick up an object. So it has this cube here for you. If you press X, it'll pick it up and you can walk around with it. If you place it on the button by pressing X again, the door will open, and move to the elevator to move to the next test, which is what the computer will also prompt you to do. At this point, we're going to go to the next prompting. Since this is a basic instruction video, I'm not going to do a walkthrough of each chamber, but however I will skip forward to some of the more important instructions. This is the second chamber and is where we will be getting the first part of the portal gun that you can see below. In this section, Gladys, the computer, talks for a while, and until she's finished talking, you cannot walk through the door and complete the chamber. But you can watch the portal gun place portals onto the wall. When the portal is on the wall, simply walk through and fall or jump down and go towards it, and it will automatically pick up the portal gun. In the bottom right corner, it tells you to push the right trigger button to place a blue portal. Most surfaces allow the portal. You don't have to put it in between the walls, but some surfaces do not take the portal. Or also, if the space is too small, it will not produce a portal. Now we are up to chamber 11, which is where we get the second part of the portal gun. You can see the portal gun below, and it is set on automatic to place the portal in several key locations. To begin the chamber, just place a portal anywhere on the wall and walk through the portal when you feel you need to. Again, in the right bottom, it tells you to press X to use this button. As with the first part of the portal gun, all you need to do to get the second part is just simply walk up to it, and it will add the left trigger to place the orange trigger, which it tells you again in the right corner. So you press the left trigger to place an orange portal and the right trigger to place a blue portal. And if you try to place them over top of each other, it doesn't really work. Those are the basic controls for the game Portal. If you ever need a reminder, press the start button and it will bring you to this main Portal menu. Scroll down using the left joystick to controller and press A to select it. You can scroll down and see that the right trigger is firing a blue portal. The left trigger fires the red portal. To pick up or use an object, you can select X or right bumper, and to jump, press A or left bumper. Duck or crouch is B, or push in on the left joystick. Thank you for watching this basic instruction for the game Portal. Enjoy!